Thank you for joining Module 2 of the Find the Fit series. This module, titled Why College Match Matters, provides information on why finding the best college fit for each participant is so important, and why we think there's room to improve the support provided to participants in this process. Please note that this webinar makes reference to the Upward Bound program, but Find the Fit may also be appropriate for other college access programs. Collectively, the modules in the Find the Fit series attend to three sets of challenges: financial hurdles, limited expectations, and logistics and motivation in applying. Individually or together, these challenges may mean that participants may not know about or may rule out colleges that might in fact be great fits for them. Because participants may engage in too narrow a search, they may not experience the best outcomes possible, either in terms of their ultimate college choice or in persistence at that college. By narrowing the window of possible choices, these challenges often can lead to a poor college fit, which unfortunately can lead to poor outcomes. The modules are designed to address these specific challenges. Addressing these challenges can result in participants engaging in a better, broader search to aim high and find their best college fit. We believe that engaging in a better, broader search can yield better college fits for participants that, in turn, can yield better outcomes in terms of post-secondary persistence and graduation rates. Before we dig into these three challenges, we first need to understand what we mean by fit and match. In this module, we'll define these concepts and share the research that serves as the foundation for all of the modules in the Find the Fit series. Now let's talk a bit about the research regarding academic match. You probably have heard about match already. Well, what exactly is it? First, based on Project's annual reporting, we're aware that 4 out of 5 Upward Bound seniors go on to college, which is probably not a surprise to you. We know that of those that go on to college, about 60% of them go on to 4-year colleges, and 40% go on to 2-year colleges. We also know that about a third of participants attend their host institution. Nearly half of participants hosted in a 2-year institution attend those schools. How does this create an opportunity to improve match? Attending a host institution might or might not be a great fit. Some students at 4-year institutions, whether a host or not, might be able to attend a more selective school with higher graduation rates. And some students who attend a 2-year college, whether a host or not, might be better served at a 4-year institution. We know advisors wanted to support participants in their transition to college, but as we'll learn in a later module, there are strategies for getting them support in other colleges. And it's important for advisors, participants, and their families to agree to consider whether alternatives might be better. So how do these choices influence participants? You've probably heard in the media in the past the term undermatch. Academic undermatch occurs when students choose to attend a college that is less selective than the colleges they could have attended based on their academic qualifications. We know from a study of students in Chicago that just about half of low-income students undermatched or attended less selective schools than they could have. Close to 23% undermatched by 2 selectivity levels. That is, they attended a college 2 levels below where they could have attended based on their academic qualifications. Why does this matter? One reason why this matters is that students who attend more selective colleges are more likely to graduate. In one study, 59% of students who attended a college that was considered a match to their academic record graduated in 4 years. Compare that with only 44% graduation among students who undermatched. There is also research that shows that students who attend more selective colleges earn more than those who attend less selective schools. Research shows a 24% increase in average income at age 32 between students who went to what are considered highly selective institutions compared with those who attended less selective colleges. We're sure some of you knew some or most of these types of data already, and we're guessing that you're asking, what else can you do to help improve the chances of finding the right college fit for each of the participants in your program? We thought it was important to review the research underlying Find the Fit. Now, though, we're excited for you to learn about some of the different strategies and how to access specific resources. As we go through these modules, we'll think in terms of multiple aspects of fit. Although there are many ways to think about fit, we've grouped elements of fit into 4 dimensions. Academic match includes the fit between a participant's test scores and aptitude and the college's selectivity. Personal preferences includes the social, athletic, and community atmosphere desired by the participant. Affordability includes the sticker and net price of a college along with participants' short and long-term financial contributions. And finally, institutional offerings includes whether the college has the existing support services on campus to help the participant navigate the campus and be successful. As we talk about fit, it's important to note that we're not talking just about academic match, although that's important and the one students often don't think about. We're also not just looking for the most affordable college or the one with the easiest application process. We're also not talking just about picking a college based on social comfort, although that is important too. We want to provide you with tools that can help boost your participants' likelihood of finding a fit based on all of these dimensions. To help you introduce these 4 factors to participants, we've included information about how to use the document you see here on this slide, which you can find on page 7 of the Advisor Handbook. This is an overview of the 4 factors of fit that you can use to discuss key concepts with participants. In addition to using this sheet in discussion with your participants, you can put this up in your activity room or office, make copies to hand out, or post it on your Upward Bound website, whatever you think is best. If you're watching the modules in sequential order, the next module demonstrates the use of an activity to help participants and you better understand what each participant determines to be the most important fit factors in choosing a college. This activity is designed to help participants realize what they may value without having named it before, and provides you as the advisor an opportunity to discuss the different factors of fit that participants can consider. If you're not watching in sequential order, which is perfectly fine, the rest of the modules provide a variety of hands-on tools coupled with background information explaining the reasoning behind the tool's development and explanations for how to use them with participants. Before today's module ends, we want to take a moment to say thank you for watching this module. Here is a list of the 9 modules. Again, you don't have to watch the series in order nor during one sitting, but we do hope that you benefit from each of the modules over the course of your work.